So here's a trend I've been noticing lately. GoPro, I've been through a shit ton of these batteries. They're pretty decent batteries, and they recently came out with the Enduro batteries, this white battery that is supposed to perform better in cold weather situations. But one thing I have noticed is that the tops come off all the time. You can tell this one's come off because I replaced it with a blue one after it completely pulled off, and then this one just came off too. It's fairly easy to just stick them back on and glue them in place with a little CA glue. They kind of like stick right in the spot where they're supposed to go, but I just don't get why they're suddenly coming off. The blue ones never really had this issue for me. I mean, I've been through like a dozen of those batteries, and the white ones, the Enduro batteries, seem to have this issue. Doesn't seem like there's even any glue on these. They just kind of friction put in there. Snaps in place. Anyway, yeah, a little CA glue right there. Fix that thing up, right up.